Welcome to Batad Rice Terraces in Ifugao. Good morning guys! We're now here in Banawe. Diba? So after Malaysia, diretso agad tayo ng Banawe with our team. Wow, team! Ito po ang team natin. Team Balaba. Ayan na po tayo. Yan. At ang aming pong leader. Ito po ang aming leader. Mag-hi ka naman. Ayan. Kaya mo na kami. Ayan. Good morning. So after 1 hour of tricycle ride. Hi! Hi team. Ito kami sa Batad. Grabe yung adventure to. Wala pa kami accommodation. Spontaneous. Ayan. Ayan. So hanap-hanap tayo.
Ang pangalan niya?
Sa buhay. Dito, Falls, napakabayo na blue. Ano pa sa babae?
Good morning guys, day 2 here in Batad, and then we're here now going to Tapia Falls. So nagstay kasi kami overnight doon sa village sa Batad. So dapat kayo pa morning, kaya lang bilang umulan. So okay pa naman. Yan. Welcome to Tapia Falls here in Batad. Wow, Hi guys! We're welcome here at Tapia Falls. Laki ng falls. Yan. Medyo matila yung trek going down. It's around 30 minutes lang. Sobrang nice ng falls. Welcome to Tapia Falls here in Batad.
So yan.
So hanggang ngayon po ganito ginagawa?
Araw-araw.
Ha?
Araw-araw? Yan. Fast learner.
Hi guys, so ayun, uwi na kami. So ito po si Mami Linda. Yan.
Hello.
If you want to stay, ayan.
To Batad Village Homestay.
Yon. So if you want to have a homestay here experience sa Batad, dito po tayo sa
Come to where the heart is.
Yes. Excellent place. Nasa village talaga siya, as well as cozy. Yes. We're accommodated si Mami Linda. Yan. At puro syempre.